After taking this bite, I kinda get it kung bakit siya dinadayo dito eh. So, from the previous video, kami ay pumunta dito sa Clark and natsyempohan pa namin ang traffic at ang ulan. I mean, more than usual. Parati na traffic dito eh. Even kung pumunta ako ng Telebastagan. Pero, at least, we are safe, we are dry, and we be chillin'. Ito ka detour at kami ay pumasok dito sa isa sa mga roads and it has been years since I've been here. Dahil kasi the last time na pumunta ako ng Clark mismo was nung nag-opening challenge ako sa Zark's Clark before the pandemic. Yes, and pagdating ko dito, para siyang Araneta Center. Ganyan yung vibe niya eh. I mean, just look at it. Grabe, nakakatuwa. Right. So ngayon tayo ay pumasok dahil kasi we wanted to check out inside eh. Just checking out yung facade, checking out yung mga bagong establishments dito. So far may mga stalls pa rin na open pero I think malapit na rin siya mapuno. Pahaba kasi yung Clark eh. Sobrang nakakatawa. Pagkatapos noon kami ay dumaan dito sa Dave's Kebab para bumili ng shawarma. Yes sir. So again, I kinda get it dahil kasi sabi daw ni Madam, dinadayod daw yung kanilang shawarma dito sa Clark. And I kinda get it. It was really, really tasty. So, order with fries, lagay tayo ng white sauce. Never skip on the white sauce. Seryoso, pagkatapos ng kagat na yon, it just nailed it. Panalo yun. Tapos lagyan pa natin ng mainit na fries. May fries na sa loob, pero I wanted more. Kaya kasi you could never go wrong with extra fries. So I forgot. That tasted so good. Yes sir. It was worth every bite. Panalo yan. Tapos ngayon, lagay tayo ng spicy. Sabi daw ni Madam, konti lang daw. Dagdag at your own discretion. And tama nga siya dahil kasi sobrang init at ang manghang. So, can't wait to go back there next time. Pagkatapos nun, we just got back into the car and we were on our way. Yes sir. Ang dami pang mga pwede naming puntahan dito sa Pampanga. Ako personally, ang dami ko pang mga gustong puntahan na places dito. Pero that's always the promise of a next time. Yes sir. To many, many more adventures. Mikeni, Mikeni. So shout out kay Bea and Javi. Appreciate you watching. Follow for more.